Hi, I'm Lucas Lenarduzzi, Service Manager at Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz, and I'm here to tell you about the 5 signs to get your car's brake fluid replaced. Something's wrong and you can't quite pin it down. Your car feels right, but the brakes just aren't gripping as they used to. At Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz, we would suspect that you have a brake fluid problem and need to get it checked out. So, what are the 5 signs to look for? Well, let's go through each of them, then talk about regular fluid changes. The first indication is the ABS light. If this comes on, there is something wrong with the braking system. If you're in the country, it could be as simple as something triggering the system, but otherwise, you need to get it checked out. Next, any problem with the brake pedal. Because of how the fluid works, if you don't have the right amount of brake fluid, or if you have old fluid, your brake pedal may become stiff. Third, if there are strange noises, this will come whenever you use the brake. As soon as any noise happens, take your vehicle to the mechanic. Fourth, the brake pads aren't working as well. There might be some sounds like grinding as well, or you might feel like the brakes are gripping more than they should. The last indication is a burning smell. If you ever have a burning smell, it's always best to go to the mechanic immediately. How often must you change the brake fluid? It will depend on the vehicle and year. Some of the newer vehicles need it less often, whereas older vehicles need it more often. This is one of the reasons why it is important that you bring your vehicle to a registered dealership like Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz. Our mechanics are trained and certified by Mercedes, so they are up to date on the latest needs for your vehicle. It's easy to make an appointment with us. Just visit our website or give us a call. Thank you very much, and drive safe.